Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this channel, we will learn maths in very simple and easy way. Today we are starting class 10 maths, chapter 1 real numbers. So, let's start the lesson. In today's video, we are going to learn what is the number system and real numbers. Then we will understand Euclid's division lemma. After that, we will learn how to find HCF and LCM. Let's start step by step. First, let us understand the number system. Natural numbers are counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, and so on. Whole numbers are include 0 also. Integers include negative numbers too. Rational numbers can be written in fraction form. Irrational numbers cannot be written in fraction form. Real numbers include both rational and irrational numbers. Now, let us learn Euclid's division lemma. It says that any numbers can be written in this form. Divided equals divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here, remainder is always smaller than divisor. Let us see examples. Divide 56 by 9. 9 multiplied by 6 gives 54. The remainder is 2. So we write 56 equals 9 into 6 plus 2. Here 56 divided 9 is divisor, 6 is quotient, 2 is remainder. Notice that remainder is smaller than divisor. Okay, let's move. Now we find HCF using Euclid's method. First, divide the larger number by the smaller number. Then divide again using the remainder. Continue until remainder becomes 0. The last non-zero remainder is the HCF. Let us see the example. Now find HCF of 87 and 65. First divide 87 by 65. The remainder is 22. Next divide 65 by 22. The remainder is 21. Then divide 22 by 21. The remainder is 1. Now divide 21 by 1. Remainder becomes 0. So the last non-zero remainder is 1. Therefore, HCF of 87 and 65 is 1. Now let us find LCM using HCF. The formula is product of numbers divided by HCF. Using the example, we calculate LCM step by step. We already found HCF as 8. Now we use the formula. LCM equals product of numbers divided by HCF. So 56 into 40 divided by 8 gives 280. Therefore, LCM of 56 and 40 is 280. Let us quickly review. Real numbers include rational and irrational numbers. Euclid lemma's formula is equals BQ plus R. HCF is the last non-zero remainder. LCM is product divided by HCF. This is the end of today's lesson. Practice the example given. In the next video, we will continue the real numbers chapter and learn the next concept. Thank you for watching. See you next class.